Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add text to your video in the IntroTube application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this T icon in the middle of the screen. That's the second option, and then click on the Add New Text button down below. Here you can find this text box, so all you have to do is typing in your text. And then you can change the font by tapping on the font button in the middle of the screen. You can change the color of it, the stroke, the thickness on this scale, and the opacity, and also the shadow. You can set the blurriness of it, the opacity, and other options too. If you are done, click on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen, and you can select where would you like to locate it. You can also add effects to your text, such as twist, skyfall, rotate, neon flash, fall, throw, and so on. And you can also customize it in the animation and keyframe sections, selecting its size, rotation, and opacity. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.